Hello, everyone. Let's see. Question has arisen. How do I save prompts off of a group website? And here before you is where I'm on a group site where we share prompts, do things, AI fun time, AI minus sign, fun time. One of Wanda's groups. Let's see, in order to save some of the procedure that I go through, yours may be different. I use Incredimail, and Windows 10 is what I'm using right now. So if you got something different, you may be a little different the way you do it, but this is the general idea. So I'm going to open up one that I did here. And let's see, here's a selfie that I want to save, and maybe I want to save these things here. The example, there's like two ways to do it. Either you just save the prompt, or you save an example from it and the prompt, or a bunch of examples, results from it. And it all depends on what you want to do. But let's see, if I left click and highlight the prompt that I want, and I can do a Control C on the keyboard, or I can right click and choose copy. Same difference, right? And I want to put that in a folder of some kind. Let's say I got this, and this is just a Windows folder. And I right click and I can make a new folder and name it, we'll say Shark Fun. And I can go into that and right click and go to new text document. I think even if you don't have MS Word Office or something that can do the same thing, all of them have this text document thing, so you could use that to put your prompts in. We'll say Shark Prompt Fun. I can double click that or right click on it. Could right click on it, choose open, but here it is. So we saved it, and I can right click and choose paste, or I can do Control V on my keyboard and get that on there. And then File, Save. I can close it out. Now I've got it saved there. So I saved a prompt. Now it might be possible that let's see here. I have to have that a little visible there. If you see that you can do this, left clicking and dragging, you might be able to drop your picture like I just did into your folder. So that's pretty cool. So there it is right there. So that's a good way to do it, right? And let's see, something else I wanted to show you. Is I can save, you can save a bunch of your photos in there. But you see I got these numbered 1 through 10. And what I've done here is I've saved one example from a prompt, and see I got these numbered also. So the prompt for me making number 1 here is right here. Number 2 is right there, different prompt. And you see what I did? So that's like all in one folder. So you can do folders like that too. That's an economical way to do it. So you can do that. And let's see what else we got here. Something else I wanted to show you. Oh, here's all kinds of examples and stuff that I got here. But, oh yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Just happened to think of it here. I've got my folders named different things, like different categories. And that's kind of how I do it, to kind of organize it. I didn't start off that way. But the ones with zeros next to them, just so that they come up first on my searches here. They each, see, I got them in categories of, like the animals, and insects. I got them named, and I can go in. Let's see, say like birds. I got categories of that, and each one of them has some things that I created with it, and has the prompt that I used. So that's kind of how that's my organization for that. I didn't start off like that. I started off just saving pictures and not even the prompts, you know. But I've been doing this a little while now, and that's kind of how I do. So, just to let you know, that's some of the things I do and how I save. So this is Hooty, and this is about AI, minus sign, whatever you call it, fun time. One word, fun time. That's from that group. One last thing up here. If you're in the group messages, you can do a search up here, conversations or whatever. And that's how I got this stuff here. I just pulled up selfie because that's what we're currently messing with over here. But that's a good tip too. But that's besides the point, right? So this is Hooty. Talk to you later. Bye now.